Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is integration. So friends, today I want to solve this problem x square tan inverse x 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 0 to infinity cot inverse x into divided by 1 plus x square x to the power 4. So now how can I get this? Because I take x is equal to 1 by t and dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by t square dt. And you will see there also is calculation, because I am putting the value 1 by t square 1 by t to the power 4, and now I get 0 to infinity t to the power 4 t square plus 1 dt. This factor I get in here. Okay, so I hope you can understand that how I get cot inverse 1 plus x square into t. Now I use this identity. You see that tan inverse x divided by tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So I can write this way: pi by 2 0 to infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 minus 0 to infinity tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 dx. Now this is I write I, and this I plus I equals to 2I, and I can write pi by 2 0 to infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 minus 0 to infinity minus plus 1 minus x square tan inverse x, it is x square minus 1 tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square x to the power 4, because this is x square, this portion, so x square minus 1. So I equals to pi by 4 integration 0 to infinity dx 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus half into 0 to infinity 1 minus 1 by x square divided by 1 plus 1 by x square plus x square tan inverse x dx. Okay, now friends, this is equals to, it can be written pi by 4 0 to infinity 1 plus 1 by x square, and it can be written pi by 8 1 plus 1 by x square pi by 8 1 plus 1 by x square plus x square dx plus pi by 8 0 to infinity 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x minus 1 by x, plus 1 by x whole square minus 1 into dx. Now it can be written plus half into 0 to infinity this portion. Now friends, I have to using by parts IBP. I using IBP, so 0 to infinity, if I use in here IBP, so the value is minus plus 1 by 4 ln x plus 1 by x minus 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1 tan inverse x 0 to infinity. Same fact in here. Okay, IBP I use, and after that I use 1 by 4 ln 1 minus x plus x square divided by 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. Integration 0 to infinity, just using IBP. Now friends, I get in here this portion pi by 8 into 0 to infinity 1 plus 1 by x square dx and x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3 and this portion will come same. This term is 0. This term equals to 0, so I don't need to write in here. And this term is also 0, so I get only this term minus 1 by 4 0 to infinity. Now it will become 0 to pi by 2 ln 2 plus 2 minus sine 2x divided by 2 plus sine 2x dx, because in here x equals to tan theta. If we use this calculation, so we get 2 minus sine 2x and 2 plus sine 2x. You can get. After that we can write pi by 8 0 to infinity. Sorry, it can be written direct pi by 8 direct tan inverse x square minus 1 divided by root 3x into 8 root 3, and it can be written pi by 4 8 root 3 and 0 to infinity minus 1 by 4 0 to pi by 2 ln 2 minus sine 2x divided by 2 plus sine 2x dx. This is my total work. I will go to solve next page. So friends, how we get this value? How can I get this value? I have already show that how I get ln 1 minus x plus x square divided by, and just putting the value tan t, then you get t dx is equal to sec square t, and just putting, and after the calculation you get 1 minus sine t cos t, and this is 2 sine 2t divided by 2 plus sine 2t, because sine t into cos t, 2 sine t cos t is equal to sine 2t. So friends, I hope I can clear, because as the question is very long, so I just giving the calculation how I get this value. Now we get this value, and after that we can write this value is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 equals to pi. So I get pi square divided by 4 root 3. Okay, pi square by 4 root 3 we get. After that we get 1 by 4, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and 0 to half. This is 2 into sin x divided by 1 minus y square sin square x. So friends, I get 1 square and sin square by x. How I get this? I get this is my calculation. So sin x, 1 minus 1 square sin x is equal to half into ln 2 minus sin x, 2 plus sin x. That's why I get in here. After that I can write this pi square by 4 root 3 plus, in here I get also plus, so plus half into 0 to half 1 by 1 root over 1 minus y square, and tan inverse y cos x divided by root over 1 minus y square. So this is my integration 0 to pi by 2, and d, and here I write dy. Must remember, in here I have to do just sin x divided by 1 minus y square plus y square cos square x, and after that I just use integration dx dy. Okay, so clear? I hope I can clear pi square by 4 root 3 half into y into root over y square. Now I can write this way, that pi square 4 root 3 minus half into 0 to half 1 by y root over 1 minus y square into tan inverse y divided by root over y 1 minus y square dy. Next friends, we take y is equal to sin t, and check this is the calculation. Okay, 1 y divided by root over sin t, if I put y is equal to sin t, then I get tan inverse sin t cos t, and I get 2t by sin 2t, but z by sin z, if I can write. So I can write this way, pi square by 4 root 3 plus half into 0 to pi by 6, just in limit changing, y divided by sin y dy. And now I can write pi square divided by 4 root 3 plus half y ln tan y by 2, and limit, putting the limit 0 to pi by 6 minus half into, after by parts, 0 to pi by 2 ln tan y dy. And now we get the value pi square divided by 4 root 3, and after putting the value pi by 6 we get pi by 12, we get pi by 12 ln 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 and this value equals to minus 2g divided by 3. Just I am putting this value and I get, in here it is y by 2, so I get plus 2g divided by 3. This is my answer. Thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this total integration.